So, magandang gabi o araw sa inyo guys. For today's video guys is tuturuan sa inyo paano mag-solve ng simple interest. But guys, itong video na to guys is above the label po sa previous video na ginawa ko guys. Just check nyo lang po yung mga previous video ko guys sa aking profile guys. So, before proceed guys, we have the formula na which is SI is equals to P times R times T. So, alamin natin yung mga variable niya and ano po yung mga meaning niya. So we have SI which is simple interest. We have P which is ito po, P, principal amount pong tawag dyan. We have R is rate. Percentage po to guys ha, which is i-convert nyo po siya into decimal. So we have T is to time, which is gagawin nyo po siyang year. Or if months po yung nakalagay, i-divide nyo po siya sa 12 para makuha nyo po yung year. So, let's proceed guys sa question guys. So we have question number 1. A principal amount of $2,500 is invested at a rate of 4% per annum for 2 years. Calculate the simple interest earned. So before proceed guys, identify muna natin yung mga variable niya and then and its value. So balik sa question guys, meron po tayong principal amount na $2,500. So we have P equals to $2,500 invested at a rate of 4%. So we have R, which is 4% for 3 years. So we have T is equals to 3 years. So, convert natin to into decimal guys. So, 4 divided by 100 is equals to 0.04. So, hindi na po ito kailangan gawing years guys kasi mayroon na po siyang years na nakalagay. So, since meron na po tayong formula guys, ang variable niya and its value, proceed po tayo sa formula guys. So, we have SI is equals to P times R times T. So, balik tayo dito. SI equals to ano natin. So, we have P which is 2,500 times 0.04 times natin sa 3. So, gamit tayo yung calculator guys, isolve natin to. So, ito na po guys, yung calculator guys. So, we have 2,500 times natin siya sa 0.04 or 0.04 guys. Yun na pa din yun. So, you have times 3. So, yung sagot natin is 300. So, yung ating simple interest guys is 300. 300. And ito po yung final answer natin guys for this question guys. So, to proceed for the next question guys, we have an investment earns $180 in simple interest rate at a rate of 6% per annum for 2 years. What was the principal amount? So, balik tayo sa question guys. Identify natin yung mga variable niya and its value. So, we have an investment earns $180 in simple interest. So, we have nagbago na po yung problem natin guys ha. So, yung nakalagay sa question guys is simple interest. So, isulat natin. So, we have $180 at a rate of 6%. So, we have R equals to 6% per annum for 2 years. So, we have T which is 2 years. What was the principal amount? So, since naman yung missing variable natin is P, ito po yung isi-solve natin. So, paano natin i-solve guys? Kopyahin natin yung formula guys. Bale, yung gagawin natin guys is i-isolate natin tong P para makuha natin yung formula na bago. So, we have, gawin natin to guys. Copy natin yung formula sa taas. SI is equals to P times R times T. So, paano natin to i-isolate guys? Para ma-isolate natin guys, we have to divide both sides by R and T para ma-isolate natin yung P. So, divide natin both sides. So, R times T. R times T. So, makakancel to guys. Yan. At yung P na lang po yung matitira dito. So, erase natin yan. So, isulat na rin itong bagong formula natin guys. So, we have P is equals to SI divided by R times T. At yan po yung bagong formula natin guys. So, sulat natin na guys. Since meron na pa yung formula guys, substitute naman po natin. So, we have P is equals to SI natin is 180 over yung R natin, ano natin to guys, convert 0.06 or 6 divided by 100 is equals to 0.06. So, we have 0.06 times natin sa time na 2. So, yan po yun guys. So, unahin natin yung sa baba guys. So, we have P is equals to, gamit tayo calculator, 0.06 times natin sa 2. We have 0.12. 0.12. So, we have 180 divide natin sa 0.12. So, gamit natin ulit yung calculator guys. 180 divided by 0.12. So, yung sagot natin guys is 1,500. $1,500. Ito po yung final answer natin guys for this question. So, to proceed for the next question guys, we have a principal amount of $800 earns $96 in simple interest over 4 years. What is the annual rate of interest? So, identify natin yung mga variable guys and its value. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa mga previous question, gawin natin ulit yung ginawa natin guys. So, balik tayo sa question guys. A principal amount of $800. So, we have P is equals to $800. Earns 96 in simple interest. So, we have SI is equals to 96 over 4 years. So, we have T is equals to 4. So, what is annual rate of interest? So, yung unknown variable natin guys is R. So, since meron po tayong unknown variable guys, na which is wala po dito, iibahin po natin yung formula or para makuha po natin yung bagong formula, is-solve natin sa unknown variable na R. So, rearrange natin yung formula guys. Kagaya lang po ng ginawa natin guys. Yung una, copy natin yung formula. Again, SI equals to P times R times T. So, since meron na po yung formula guys, ang gagawin natin guys is divide natin ulit both sides by P and T para ma-isolate itong R. So, proceed na you guys. So, divide natin both sides by P times T. P times T. So, maka-cancel to guys. Maka-cancel din to. So, yung matitira is R na lang po. Para hindi po yung malito guys, i-erase ko to. So, yung matitira is yung R na lang. So, rewrite natin yung formula dito guys para hindi po kayo malito. SI over P times T. So, yan po yung formula natin guys ha. If hindi nyo po gets guys, just rewind the video guys para malaman nyo po. Or just pause the video guys para hindi po kayo malito. So, to proceed guys. Since meron na pa yung formula guys, i-substitute lang po natin yung mga value sa variable. So, we have R is equals to SI. Yung SI natin is 96 over yung P natin or principal amount is 800 times 4. Ito po siya guys, 4. So, we have R is equals to, 9 natin to guys. So, we have 96 over 1,200. Kasi 800 times 4 is 1,200. Ay, sala. Mali pala guys. Mali pala guys. May bad. Yung sagot pala dapat dyan guys is 3,200. Sorry guys, mali po guys ha. May bad. 800 times 4. So, we have 96 over 3,200. So, divide natin guys. So, we have 4 times 800 is 3,200. So, divide natin siya guys. 96 divided by 3,200. Yung sagot natin is 0.3. So, yung sagot natin is R is equals to 0.03 or i-transpose natin into percentage. So, we have 0.03 times natin siya sa 100, magiging 3 siya or 3%. At ito po yung final answer natin guys for this question. So, yung annual interest rate natin guys is 3%. So, yan po yung final answer natin guys for this question guys. So, to proceed for the next question guys, we have $1,000 is invested at 8% per annum. How many years will it take to earn $400 in simple interest? So, balik tayo sa question guys. So, kagaya lang po ng ginawa natin, identify na muna natin yung mga variable and its value niya. So, balik tayo sa question guys, we have 1,000 is invested at 8% at annum. So, we have 1,000, which is yung P. So, P is equals to 1,000 and then R is 8%. And then we have SI is equals to 400. We have T. So, balik sa question guys, we have $1,000, which is, ito po yung P, or principal amount, is invested at 8%. Ito po yung R. How many years will it take to earn, or which is, meron na po tayong, ano guys, ng clue, which is, how many years. And then, proceed tayo to take earn $400 in simple interest. So, for $400 guys is yun po yung interest niya. Simple interest pala. So, yung unknown variable natin is t or time. So, rearrange natin yung formula again. So, we have, copy natin ulit, SI equals to P times R times T. Divide natin both sides by P times R para ma-isolate natin tong T. So, P times R. So, maka-cancel to guys. So, matitira is yung T na lang. Or, erase ko to guys. Which is T na lang po yung matitira. So, pause nyo pong video guys or rewind po kayo para mag-gets na po. So, we have T is equals to SI divided by P times R. Yan po yung formula natin guys. So, erase natin to. So, i-substitute natin itong mga values, yung mga values guys sa variable. So, we have T is equals to, yung SI natin is 400 over, we have P which is yung principal amount which is 1,000 times, yung R natin is 0.8, 0.08 or paano ko po nakuha yung 0.08? So, simple lang po guys. 8 divided by 100 is equal to 0.08. Yan po yung yan guys. So, unahin natin yung multiply sa baba guys. So, we have 1,000 times 0.08. Yung sagot is 80. So, we have 4,000, ay 400 pala, divided by 80. So, we have 400, divide natin sa 80. Sagot is 5. So, we have 5. Yung sagot natin guys is 5 or 5 years. Para makuha yung simple interest na $400. So, para makuha yung $400 na simple interest guys is abutin po siya ng 5 taon. So, ito po yung final answer natin guys for this question guys. So, guys, if meron pa kayong suggestion, question, and correction guys, just PM me guys, nag-reply po ako. So, if meron pa kayong suggestion for the new content guys, just PM me guys ha. So, yung mga new questions guys is ipopost, ipipin ko lang po sa comment at kayo na po pala sumagot yan guys. So, maraming salamat po guys. Just don't forget to follow, like, and share my pages. Maraming salamat po.